Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log out from your Bumble account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bumble application on your device. Now, click on the profile icon which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you can see a gear icon at the top right corner. Click on it. Now, scroll down to the bottom of this page, where you can see Logout option. Click on it. Then, click on Logout button. So, that is how you can log out from your Bumble account. To log back in, simply click on Continue with Apple, Facebook or user cell phone number to log into your account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.